He's never gonna trust you again. Oh, he didn't. Yeah, he does.
Yummy, yeah, good.
No face at all.
Wow.
How cute.
He likes it.
EJ likes it. Look, lemons taste yummy.
You taste like coupons. I haven't looked through them yet.
I'm pulling them out for you.
Oh, EJ. Yum. That's good for ya.
Yeah, you won't get scurvy. Isn't that what they used to get?
No more scurvy for you. Ow.
Now you can sail the seas without the worry.
No scurvy free, Jack.